It only takes 1 spoon daily of this, and it loses up to 15 kilos in a month. Awesome! Losing weight is tricky for many people, since many think they should stop eating and confuse it with suffering to be able to do so. But it turns out that in order to lose weight you should only have a good diet and eat up to 5 times a day. Of course, exercise and the food we eat will help us. Fennel is a widely used ingredient in countries like Mexico. It gives an extra touch to foods such as sweet potatoes, barbecues and more. Curiously, many do not know that consuming it will help you lose weight, so pay close attention so you know how to lose weight. A recent study looked at how fennel increases weight loss. In this study, 75 women participated, which carried a diet low in calories. Half of the women also had to eat 3 grams of fennel twice a day. After the study was concluded, women who ate fennel lost an average of 4 pounds and 50 pence more than women who did not eat it. In addition, they also observed more drastic changes in body mass index, waist size, cholesterol level and total body fat mass. How to take advantage of fennel to lose weight? First of all, fennel is very low in calories. Contains only 13 grams in 2 tablespoons. This makes it perfect for flavoring your meals without increasing your daily calorie intake, which is perfect for slimming. Fennel can also speed up your metabolism, thanks to its properties and also to its high level of calcium. Iron is vital for metabolism, so eating iron-rich foods can help you burn more calories, helping you lose weight.